Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things.
So what is up everybody, 90th Rider here. Why we are walking on this highway is because our college is on that side. Because it was raining in the morning, so we thought to come in the bus. Not on the motorcycle, because I didn't want to get drenched before my exam. Yeah, I'm just coming out of my examination hall, and we have one more exam at 1:30, so there is a gap of about 2.5 hours probably, or 1.5 hours. We'll go to the dhaba, which is on the another side of road. So lunch has arrived. Actually, I got this from a home and he ordered this paratha. Kind of tasty, it's good enough. Not really too good, not too bad. Very fine. It's 3:30 in the afternoon and we just came out of the examination hour. I didn't record the part where we were going back to the college after having lunch. So right now we are waiting for the bus and I think it has come. So we're gonna catch that. So we didn't catch that bus because that was going on a long route, so they probably were not going to stop here to pick at us. Oh, to pick us. So they were, so they were probably not going to stop here to pick at us. pick up us. So they were not going to stop to pick us. I think this us. I parked my motorcycle at the Western Mall. Here it is. So from here I will pick up my bike, then we'll drop Prabhu to his house in PAU, and then I will get back to my office for the work. It is the hot day. I know ये हरियाणा, राजस्थान, ये सब जगह पे तूफान वगैरह आ रहा है, लेकिन यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी है. I want it to rain little bit. Prabhu at his home. Now it's the time to go to office. I'll see you in the evening.